This is our IBM project named SmartFarm IoT application. So this is our main Python code. So let me run this. So we can get the when you run this, we can get the data for soil moisture, temperature, and humidity. So let me wait this. This is running. Yeah, it started. So get the values of random integers. Let me move to the IBM cloud. So this is devices for Cave3 connected, where we get the values from the Python code. And these are the charts where we can get the values in the diagrammatic representation. Let me move to Node-RED, where we can get the data from the IBM cloud. And while deploying this, we can get the values in the side of the screen. We are getting the random values. So this is our dashboard, where we have two buttons, motor on and off. While pressing motor on, we get the command as motor on, and we display the data. And in again a new tab, we get the command as motor on, because I created a HTTP request there, as well as in the Python interpreter also we get the command as motor on. So let me move to mobile app. This is our app. So we have two buttons, motor on and off, the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture, the values. While pressing the motor on button, this move to the tab of a local host on the command called motor on. And in Python interpreter also, it will get us motor on. So thank you guys.